So we're here again, no, sa oath-taking of new fisheries professionals here at the Tent City in Manila Hotel. So some observations lang, no, from someone who has 5 professional licenses dito, no, sa event ng PRC. Ito sigurong practice ng event organizer, no, because I'm sure this is being handled by event organizers. They're charging 1,500 per head for entry, which is quite fair naman, no, because this is Tent City Manila Hotel. So without food to, okay lang din, no, I think, kasi they need some margin naman. Pero pagpasok mo dito, there's yung practice of yung mga pakuha ka ng picture, no, there on the other side. Yan, nakapila yung mga inductees. They're required, no, to take yung pictures. They're encouraged actually, no, na this side, ito yung mga nangongolekta na area. So this side is yung mga nagpapakuha ng picture. This one. So dito naman na area, let's see this side. This side. So for additional guests, they're charging additional 300 pesos. So in a family of 2 or 5, additional gastos yan sa mga inductees. Dapat kasi wala namang additional, no? Kasi one shot lang naman yan. Medyo na sobrang gas na to, burden sa mga parents. Then you have also yung kanina I was talking to some parents, yung iba nag-aantay sa labas because they cannot afford yung 1,500 na entrance. Wala namang problema sa atin, no? We can pay, but what about yung parents sa labas, no, waiting for their children to enter, no, because they cannot afford yung 1,500 na entrance. Andyan sila sa labas, no, labas ng area. So I'm not sure, but ang alam ko kasi yung practice is the regulatory boards are outsourcing yung mga ganitong event sa mga event organizers. Of course, you will be raising a lot of eyebrows, no? Kasi bawal naman mangolekta daw yung mga regulatory boards. Ang issue lang dito is sometimes yung practices nagiging predatory na rin. I don't agree doon sa per number na magbayad ka ng additional 300 kasi may entrance fee na nga na 1,500 eh, no? Entrance fee na 1,500. Yung event organizer, yung dito kumukuha ng mga photos, dito pinakolekta, no, yung 300 pesos. This should be corrected, no, by mga regulatory boards natin. Hindi maganda, no? Hindi maganda. Again, the issue is pasok ka, may 1,500, pa-picture ka, may pa-picture ka, kung may dagdag na guest, you pay additional 300 pesos per guest daw. Maliit na bagay, no? But dyan sa entrance pa nga hindi nakakapasok ng iba. How much more dito sa additional na ang investment na is just this wall, itong wall na yan.